But my king, I never put a man by you as morning light. Hi guys, it's Annaje. So just one big up Bad Bigs Entertainment, you know, catching the left, the right, the up, the down, the angles. The man is a star, so big up, please.
A song has been on my heart for a little while, and I just want to do a little rendition of it, just to kind of get it out, and just kind of like, you know, giving a little appetizer for my set. So enjoy. What a feeling to be right here beside you now, holding you in my arms in the air and out, and we both started running wild. The sky fell down, 'cause you've got stars in your eyes, and I need you tonight. Yeah. What a feeling to be a queen beside you somehow. I wish I could be there now, babe. I wish I could be there now. I wish I could be there now. We're going into my song now. So what can I say? My name is Annaje. And this is Casanova. And if you want to get up and dance, I love that. Mr. DJ, you can play the track. So, can I get a little volume? How are we feeling, everybody? Alright, so I want to tell another little story. There's a lot of feedback, but I'd like to tell another little story about a friend of mine. And this is how it went. Laughing back, hey, yeah. Little Johnny goes to school forever, been alone, never had no one at home, just the other kids he knows. Saw a pretty girl and told her one day you'll be mine. So he grabbed her by her hair and he said, can we be friends? She was a little bit nervous, oh my dear, then she cried. She told the teacher he hurt her. Little Johnny said that was a lie. From that day he vowed to never let nobody near his heart again. That boy was 10. Ooh, well, heartbreak plays the beat for Casanova. Of love, babe. Hey, yeah. At 26 years old, you thought that Johnny would have changed, but that man remained the same. Only now he's got some fame. I pray he'll find them, all the things he's looking for. He's always wanting more. He's got a girl at 22 and 1 and 3 and 2 and 65. Unbeknownst to him, they were all friends. His worlds would soon collide. From that day, he vowed to never break nobody else's heart again, like when he was 10. Ooh, well, heartbreak plays the beat for Casanova. silent whisper, babe. He turned around, it was written in the stars that the girl he holds, she was at the center, babe, of that very same feeling that broke his heart. Oh yeah. So that was Casanova. That was this mic cannot move. So that was the songs I'm gonna be singing tonight were written, arranged, and produced by myself. And they're coming. These songs are gonna be coming from my upcoming EP. I'm gonna sing the title track for you now, called Genesis. Anybody can tell me what Genesis? What's Genesis? Who knows what Genesis is? Of what? It's the first what of what? The first book of the Bible. Right? So you know, say it start everything. What? She said new beginnings, but like that. Yeah. But there's a specific reason I start with Genesis. Is because while we're given this story, because it's the biggest storybook and the oldest. That drop. Grung it drop. Yes. While we're given this story, I personally don't know, if it's true. I don't know. I'm just going off what was told to me and what I read. And in your heart, you just have to believe in what you believe in. And you take it with a grain of salt, as some people might say. So I took that concept. And I don't know, Chinese telephone. And the concept of Chinese telephone, it start one place and end somewhere far, far, far gone. Yeah. So my queen man gone. Hi, Mr. Queen man. Hello. I know you're talking to your friend them. But I'm ready for my song. I'm gonna keep talking. So this song is Genesis, and I'm gonna tell you a little story. Can I get some volume? See, I don't know what's in that garden, but I swear the life of that found me. It was in this place I knew I forgotten. Just gray shadows we can see. Hey, I was on the bass. This is me on the bass. Yeah, your girl is a musician. Many years ago, I'd grown this life inside of me, yeah. But funny how things go. Would you say so? 'Cause I know what I mean, yeah. If you've loved and lost, just let me know. The sky is bound to be, yeah. But don't you change the course just for sure, 'cause we are what we need. But still, I don't know who's in that garden, but I swear the life from that found me. It was in this place I knew I forgotten. Oh, just great. Just great. Yeah. I born for lead, no substitute. Chop down the tree, can't take the root. My faith no we select my true. Get down on my knees and gun salute. Man, when I buy certain food, but them get $7 so then take it by 2. Then I ask if him could I stay with the crew. Are you in love now with the changes you choose? You never call her for morning. Woke up and talk about how are you, my darling. Hey, you never see she been calling. Then you lose your girl to a man with a smart thing, but she's smooth. Clever, sleep with the brother, then go lay with Trevor. I don't wanna lie, I don't really wanna pry. Told the story from my mind, I am telling you not like cause why? I don't know who's in that garden, yeah, but I swear the life from that found me. It was in this place I knew I forgotten. Just great, just great, baby. Genesis. That was, I tell people business, but you know, nobody can crucify me because I don't know if it's so it go. I saw me hear it. So I'm come tell you how me hear it. So, ladies and gentlemen, my final song for this evening. And I wish this mic, two more, can't get a little brighter yet. I wish this mic wasn't, stuck to the stand. But this song is called King. Do you have any kings in the house tonight? And not the men. Men not to answer. The man them not to answer. Women, are you with a king right now? If you're with a king, raise your hand. I have one hand over here, so. My friend, yeah. Somebody get bullied, put up them hand over there, so. Alright. So, you ladies, you know when you have a king, right? And you feel it in your heart. And you'll do anything for the man. Yeah. Because the man deserve it. Yeah, what you go? Yes, I love this. I love it. We love our love. Me's a sucker for love. I love a little nice little love. So, this last song is called King. And it's talking to, I haven't found mine as yet. Not looking right now, but this song is called King. I hope you enjoy. And again, my name is Annaje. That's Annaje Music on Instagram. ANNAJE Music on Instagram. So if you feel compelled to follow me, I'll do it. So Mr. Queuing Man, could you just play my track for me? Can I get a little clap? There we go. Oh, yeah. Now, time to be honest with your feelings. Ooh, can you tell me how we're going to get away? No ceilings. Are you dreaming? But my king, I never put a man above you. As the morning lights, I just wanna be there when I fall, so I call you my own king. I let me be the one to love you, just you and I. Everything I promise you, all the words in my speech, yeah, I promise you the heaven said it'll be alright. So we're not gonna start this fire. If you listen to the trees, I will let you know if there's somebody that's to be loved by me. And I'm telling you, everywhere I turn, I see your breeze. With every turn, my spirit moves freely. But my king, I never put a man above you. As the morning lights, I just wanna be there when I fall, so I call you my own king. I let me be the one to love you, just you and I. Oh, but my king, I never put a man above you. As the morning lights, I just wanna be there when I fall, so I call you my own king. I let me be the one to love you, just you and I. Would you stay for the life you want? 'Cause if you don't, they will take, baby, your place, break you out. Oh my love, so I'm coming to find this gentleman. I'm gonna do a 4 count and then it's gonna follow. Like a simple song, ready?
Annaje. That's Annaje Music on Instagram. ANNAJE Music. Feel free to follow, share, you know. Reminding you to love. Reminding you to love. Call somebody you haven't spoken to in a while and remind them how much you love them. Spread love as much as you can. And get home safely when you decide to travel. Bye.